All right. Excellent connection. All right. All right. So, welcome to today's live stream. It's on Monday, the 7th of April. And the goal is simple. We trade for 2 hours, but the first 30 minutes before the market opens at 9:30, we do practice, we do back testing. So welcome, let's do this. So last week we looked at GBP JPY, and today we are going to look at Euro USD. I just want to show you guys that this strategy works on any pair that has candles. Now, depending on the market cycle, you might be profitable or not. You know, some months are profitable, some months are not. It depends on when you are in the cycle. But again, strategy is the same. We are not changing anything. We will backtest March. So where is March? Where does March begin? March begins here. And process is the same. We come to the screen at 9:20. This is 9:20, 9:25. Right off the bat, we are breaking to the upside. I'm very bullish. That sets our high, that sets our low. So let's see how 9:30 opens. $9:30 opens as a breakout to the upside. We don't have a lot of volume, but either way it's a breakout. So I'm going to buy here. Stop loss below the breakout candle. I need to go extra here. Yes, that's good. So 28. I'm going for 56. So let's see how this one plays out. Almost got stopped out there. Let's see the other one. All right, at this point, I'll move my stops below that breakout candle. Boom, trade number 1 is a winner. We wait for trade number 2. So we have our reversal signal there. We need a confirmation. So that sets our high and our low. We need that confirmation. We have our confirmation, we can sell. Stop loss is above that candle. That is 50, we are going for 100. All right, let's see how this one plays out. Ooh, nah, there was news. All right, okay. Trade number 2 was a loss. Rules are we only take 3 trades per session. So we are waiting for that confirmation now, and we've gotten it. This candle here set the high and the low, and then we have this candle breaking to the downside. Again, we sell. Stop loss above that candle, 60 for 120. So let's see how this one plays out. Right off the bat, we are not looking good. We get stopped out. We move on to the next day. Okay. $8:15, $8:30, $8:45, $9, $9:15 to $9:30. We can go to the 5 minutes now. Again, right off the bat, we are very bearish, but we have this candle here, which is 9:25. So let's wait and see how 9:30 opens. 9:30 opens as an inside candle, and then it breaks to the downside. So at this point, I'm comfortable selling. Stop loss is above that candle, 67, so about 130 there. So let's see how this one plays out. Trade number 1. Right off the bat, we get stopped out. Or did we survive? Oh, we survived that one. Did we? I don't think so. Okay, now we can move our stops above this red candle. Okay. This is not looking good. Oh, okay. We almost got stopped out there. Oh my goodness. That one, we survived that one. All right, trade number one is a win. And then we get a reversal signal here, which is a wick or a liquidity sweep. I don't know what this is. This is just a bullish candle. Buyers are in play. And then we get that confirmation. We buy. Stop loss is below that candle, 113. We are going for 216. Okay, let's see how this one plays out. Okay, trade number, it's not looking good. Oh, now we can move our stops to break even. Okay. Oh, look at that. Oh, we survived. What? Let's see if we will survive again. Trade number two is a winner. Oh my goodness. Damn, trading feels nice when you have no expectation. Then we wait for trade number. Trade even time is up. We move on. We trade from 9:30 to 11. We move on to the next day. Let me see. We have Tudor. So no more Stacy B style. You are now a scalper. In fact, this is Stacy Back style, but I have just condensed it to individual candles. I'm trading the breakouts and the failed breakouts. Just, you need to evolve. You need to understand it in your own way. So I'll just give you a scenario here. We are 9:15 to 9:30. All right. So on the 5 minute, we are very bullish. So let's see if 9:30 opens as a bullish candle. 9:30 opens as a bullish candle, we buy. Stop loss is below that candle, 100. We are going for 200. Now, if you think about Stacy Back style, day 1, day 2, day 3, this might fail because of the 3-day candle, or the 3-day cycle, or the 3-candle cycle. Who knows? Anyway, if you just understand a strategy all on your own, it's going to change everything. All right, at this point, I'll move my stops to break even. We have news. Yes, we had news. Before news, you need to exit your positions. Anyway, we are at, look at me, I forgot. All right, no problem. We'll move on to the next day. Okay, 9:15 to 9:30, we go to the 5 minutes. And we are consolidating. So let's see how 9:30 opens. 9:30 opens as a red candle. Then we have a bullish candle. So this is a failed breakout for you to do. Price failed to break out, and now we are reversing. So if we have another bullish candle, we buy. That is our confirmation. Stop loss below that candle, 100. We are going for 205 there is not bad. Let's see. Trade number one. We've gotten a failed breakout, it's not looking good. Okay. Oh, we wait for that to become a break. Nice. Trade number one, it's a winner. We wait for trade number two. Now for trade number two, we have this red candle. So if we break to the downside, we sell. Yes, we can sell here. Stop loss above that candle, 125. We are going for 250. So let's see how this one plays out. Okay, weakness, failed breakout. Ooh, nice. Nah. Ooh, okay, what's happening here? Now at this point, I'm comfortable moving my stops to break even. So we get stopped out at break even. So we move on to the next day. Eight, 8:15, 8:30, 8:45, 9:15 to 9:30. We go to the 5 minutes. And let's see how 9:30 opens. 9:30 opens as a failed breakout. Again, another failed breakout. Then we have our first red day. And then we have our confirmation. We sell, stop loss above that candle. 112, we are going for 214. Let's see how this one plays out. Right off the bat, we are not looking good. Ooh, at this point, I'm comfortable moving my stops above this breakout candle. It's not looking good. We get stopped out at break even. Oh, but this is also a buy signal. We buy, stop loss is below that candle, 75, we are going for 150. Let's see. Nah, we are getting cooked. That is trade number 2. Again, we can sell for trade number 3 here. Stop loss is above that candle, 86, we are going for 160, 170, not bad. Let's see. Okay. Weakness. Ah! There's no way we could have survived that one. We move on to the next day. $4:45, we still have time. 8:45, 9:15 to 9:30, we go to the 5 minutes. All right, we wait for 9:30 to open. 9:30 opens as a bearish candle. We have the breakout to the downside, we sell. Stop loss above that candle. So that is 40, we are going for 80. Let's see. Right off the bat, this is not, are we surviving this one? Are we surviving this one? We move to break even. Ah, that's what I'm talking about. Then that's our reversal signal. We wait for either a continuation or a reversal. We need that confirmation. Nope. 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 Yes. Now this time again we can look for another sell. Stop loss above that candle. 55 for 110. Let's see how this one plays out. Right off the bat, not good. We get stopped out. Trade number 2, trade 1, trade 2, we can still buy another one. Stop loss above that candle, 78, that's 80 for 160. So let's see how this one plays out. Weakness, not good, not looking good. At this point, I'm comfortable moving my stops at break even. That's a breakout, below that breakout candle. We get stopped out, we move on to the next day. So we don't know where price is going, we just have a system and we just let the system play out. Just let the system play out with curiosity. So this is a game of consistency and risk management. So 9 is there, 9:15 to 9:30, we go to the 5 minutes. Then, yeah, right off the bat, we start as a breakout, we buy there, stop loss below that candle, 30 for 60. Let's see how this one plays out. We get stopped out, trade number 1, and it still goes to our direction. We have news, we wait for news. What's happening? I don't think price is going. Yes, we have our sell signal here. We sell. Stop loss is above that candle. 100, we are going for 200. So let's see how this one plays out. Right off the bat, not looking good. Not looking good. Then you get stopped out. That is trade number 1, trade number 2. What time is it? 10:40. We still have time. We can do our last trade here of the day. Stop loss is below that candle, 50 for 100. Let's see. Ooh, nice. We move our stops to break even. Yep, nice. We move on to the next day. Five, 6, I've overshot it, come on. 5 minutes. We wait for 9:30, where is 9:30? So 9:30 opens as no signal, but we are very bearish. We have our sell signal there. Stop loss is above that candle. 97, we are going for 100, 200. That's about 100, 200. So let's see how this one plays out. Not good. Not good at all. Ooh, yeah, well, we don't have anywhere to go. So we just wait for either. Now at this point we exit our position and buy. Stop loss below that candle, 55. We are going for 110. All right. Let's see. Trade number 2. Okay, weakness, not looking good. Not looking good at all. Ooh, nice. Not good. Nice. At this point, I can move my stops to break even. We have our breakout. Okay. Ooh, almost. Nice. Trade number 2, done. Then trade number 3, we can buy again. Stop loss below that candle, 78 for 160. All right, let's see how this one plays out. Okay. At this point, I'll move my stops to break even. Ooh, nice. Red flag. Not looking good. I'll exit there. Move on to the next day. Let's see what you guys are saying. Welcome, welcome, welcome. We move on to the next day. $6.45, 7, 8.45, 9, 9.15 to 9.30. We go to the 5 minutes. And we are looking bullish. Let's see how 9:30 opens. Not a breakout. Oh, okay. At this point, I can buy. Stop loss is below that candle. 60, we are going for 120. Okay, let's see how this one plays out. Okay, at this point, I'll move my stops to break even. All right, we have some weakness coming in, not looking good. Ooh, nice, that one was a winner. Okay. We wait for trade number 2. Yes, we sell, reversal. Stop loss above that candle, 39.40 for 80. Let's see. We get stopped out, trade number 2. We buy for trade number 3. Stop loss, that is the 45, 80, so about 90 there. Sure, why not? Ooh, and that one was a winner. We move on to the next day. All right, so this is 9:15 to 9:30. We go to the 5-minute. And right off the bat, we wait for 9:30. 9:30 opens as a bullish candle. We want that confirmation. Not yet. We are now reversing. Yes, now we can sell. We have news at 10 a.m. This is a very bad idea. Very, very, very bad idea. But signal came in. So 128. So we are going for 260. Okay. That is not bad. Let's see. So right off the bat, we have weakness. Price is not going anywhere. Ooh, at this point, I'm comfortable bringing my stops above that candle. Okay. News not looking good. We get stopped out. We buy. That is our buy signal. 62. We are going for 125 there. So let's see how this one plays out. Okay, not looking good. We get stopped out. Trade number 3, we sell. Stop loss is above that candle. 62 for 124. Let's see how this one plays out. It's not looking good. Ooh, nice. We move our stops to break even. Nice, nice, nice. So we have 5 minutes left before the market open. Now, let me address some questions that you might have. So, let's go to Elizabeth Morgana. Thought the breakout candle is between 9:30 and 9:35. So, this is very easy. I made it very easy for you to follow along and know exactly when to come to the market and look for your breakout. However, there's more to it. There's more to it. It's more about understanding candle movement than even coming to the screen at 9:30. If you know how the candles are moving, you are not constrained to time. Time is just there because one 9:30 has volume. So you find that most of the trades will be winners. And number 2, with time comes discipline. You can see I'm only taking 3 trades per session. So it is just a construct. If you need to learn more, by the way, I have classes that I teach this. So I teach you how to understand the candles so that you are not constrained to time. Let's look at Nathan. Yeah, it's 9:30, but actually works through. Yes, I think Nathan understands what we mean by candles. You need to understand the story the candles are printing. And this took time. This took me over 5 years to understand. Started from Stacy Buck and BTMM. Understanding all this, and then now you put it to practice. Anyway, we have 9:30 there. This I think will be a few trades, last few trades before market opens. 9:45. So far, no confirmation. Then we have our breakout candle, but again, we need that confirmation. We need that confirmation. So far, no confirmation yet. No confirmation yet. Then we have our reversal there. Yes, now we have our confirmation there. We can buy, stop loss below that candle. 42 to 84 there, 86. So right off the bat, we are not looking good. Ooh, at this point, I'm comfortable moving my stops below that candle. We get stopped out, trade number one. Time is up. We move on to the next day. So, again, it's all about candles. It's all about candles. And backtesting. By the way, if you want to really understand your strategy, you need to backtest it like crazy. I am doing this, but before I even did this, I backtested over 1,000 trades per pair. Last year, but one. That was all I was doing, and I'm still doing it because I enjoy the backtesting process. So let's see how 930 opens. 930 opens, bearish candle, breakout to the downside, we sell. Stop loss 40 for 80. So let's see. Trade number one. Ooh, at this point I'll move my stops to there. We cut the risk by half. Ah, nice. Huh. I wish trading was as easy as it looks when you backtest. Ah, man. Trade number one is a winner. We wait for trade number two. Trade number two, again we sell. Stop loss above that candle, 55 for 110. So let's see how this one plays out. Right off the bat, it's not looking good. It's not looking good. Almost got stopped out. And we get stopped out. Will we see trade number three? Okay, time is up. Let's look at our results. Replay trading. Let's look at overview. Overall, we've been very profitable, 46% profitability. Trade analysis, we took 30 trades. Winning trades were 14, losing trades were 16. So, guys, see, you don't have to win all your trades, but overall, we are profitable. Overview, we are up $600. So, you don't need to win all of them. You just need to have a 50% win rate with a risk-reward ratio of 1:2. You are good to go. So, let's go and look at what's happening with the market now. So, US 100 exit all positions. And we are looking very bearish. So this is a situation where I am looking to sell. So right off the bat, we are very bearish to the downside. If we break out, I will take an early position because we already have our confirmation. So let's prepare US 100 and DX 100. This is, no, I don't want. Should I trade this one? All right, where is that one? Yes. Okay, we are in. Okay. So what I will do is create new order 0.05. How are we looking? We are breaking out. What we'll do is we will go to the 3 minute and use the 3 minute instead. So if we close below, I'm selling. Although this looks like it's oversold. Anyway, let's wait for the candle to close first. As it's doing what it's doing, let's see what you guys are saying. We have Suresh. Hello, brother. Thank you for sharing this strategy. May I know what indicator you're using to show the arrows on the candles? I'm not indicators. That is showing you where you buy or sell. Knowing the reversal candles and all, I went back and analyzed from before then, did it on demo, brought it real, and honestly, 9 out of 10 trades are giving me profits. All right, guys, this works. This works. This works. So we are the greatest traders here. It took us time to get here, but now we are here. We are here now. We are the goats. We are the fucking goats. Oh. Okay, so US 100, we are looking to sell. We are looking to sell. We are looking to sell. Stop loss. So we are looking to sell there. Stop loss is above that candle, which is 19,846. Okay, so 19,846. Whoa, what's happening? What? What's happening? Why am I... What? What is happening? Did I use the wrong lot size? I think I used the wrong lot size. Have you ever been here? I think I used the wrong lot size. So if this one is going to cook me, I think I'll have my maximum daily loss on this account. We'll move on to the next account. What? 0.05. What is happening? So what I will do is I will come on. Fuck. Don't misbehave like that. All right, I'll exit there and I'll create a new order that makes sense. All right, stop loss was 16,845. All right. Yes, so I think that is good risk management there. All right, so what's happening on the 5 minute? All right, no problem. Yes, welcome. So trade number 1, we are looking to sell. Let's wait and see. We are on the 3 minute. No nonsense. If we close below this candle, then we are looking nice. We will be looking nice if we close below that candle. 16,800. Which means also move this one. 16,800. So remember, we are just doing what we've been backtesting. We are not doing anything new. So we are going up to 16,500. All right, 16,500. What's the narrative on the 15-minute time frame? Oh, okay. Okay, sure, why not? Why not? Less than a minute, less than a minute. So where is break even? 16, 16,740, 16,750. All right. So 16,750. 750. Okay. So at this point, if you are late, you can get in here, stop loss above that candle. Still target a 1:2. At this point, we are at break even, so it's a risk-free trade. Whatever happens, happens. Is there anybody who is in this trade? If you're in this trade, give me a thumbs up or give me a reaction. Are we getting cooked together or are you guys just cheering me on? Have I been stopped out? So how did the 5-minute close? Okay, 5-minute closed as a breakout. Which means, yeah, still good. If we break to the downside, if we actually survive this one is going on. It's going to be a good one. Six, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, not looking good. Nah, I'll exit at $100. As usual, oh wait. As usual, US 100, we have just sold live. So we are waiting to exit at $100. So 97, 95, 100, 92. We are going to exit now. We are going to exit at 98, 100. I'm out. I'm out, guys. I'm out. I'm out. That is trade number one. We are out. And I'm actually done for the day. I'm actually done for the day. We got in here, we were targeting 15,000. We are at we are almost at 15,000. But hey, anybody who has caught this, please type in W on the chat. Let me see the traders who've gotten this trade. Anybody who is in this trade, anybody who's eaten this, come on, guys. All right, guys, I'll see you next time. Bye bye. Tomorrow.